Alright guys, so in order to suspend a user, I need to make a put request. So I call a put request on my route and then the URL. So the URL is slash user forward slash suspend. Let me take off the ID here, forward slash suspend. And then I'm expecting a request object, a request parameter of the suspend schema, which in this case the suspend schema is the user ID and then is active, which is a boolean. I think it shouldn't be left none here. So I'm taking that request and then I'm making use of my update, um, my update file, my update function. So this update function, I think we need to look at it once again. Um, okay, so initially it's supposed to take an ID and then the request. So I need to modify it a bit to suit what I actually want to do. So first I'll do requests dot ID, then the request data, then the DB connection. Yes, so this should work. All right, thank you. Let's move on to the next.